yourself. I want you to let go of all of your insecurities. I want you to reject anyone that told you that you didn't belong or you couldn't fit in or that you weren't good enough or fit enough or couldn't sing well enough or you weren't pretty enough. You remember that you're a star and you were born that way. May tonight be your liberation. I want you to celebrate your shame. And I love you. I love you. I love you so deeply! Let me get a good look at you.